Introducing the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 Super AMPo Extreme Graphics Card. Everything is super with all new ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 20 Series Super Graphics Card. Based on the NVIDIA Turning architecture, it's packed with more cores and ultra-fast GDDR6 memory. Integrated with more smart and optimized technologies, get ready to get fast and game strong. The ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX Super Series is powered by the award-winning NVIDIA Turning architecture with dedicated AI and ray tracing cores for ultimate performance and graphics. It has NVIDIA Turning, and this revolutionary architecture combined with all new ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX Super platform fuses together with real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. You've never created and enjoyed games like this before. And for the real-time ray tracing in games, the ray tracing is the definitive solution for lifelike lighting, reflection, and shadows, offering a level of realism far beyond what's possible using traditional rendering techniques. NVIDIA Turning is the first GPU capable of real-time ray tracing. With the performance is the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX Super Series come loaded with super fast GDDR6 and powerful GPU to unleash your creative productivity and gaming dominance. And the strongest finely tuned to extract every ounce of speed, AMPo Extreme is the ultimate piece of engineering set to be strongest in its class out of the box. And the strong is to get more speed with AMPo factory overclock ZOTAC Gaming GeForce graphics card right out of the box. More speed, more performance, and the smallest small only in size, mini delivers big performance. It has also IceStorm 2.0 with the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX Super graphics card. Future most powerful cooling hardware, IceStorm 2.0 enable color, quieter, and stronger overall sustained performance. And for the engineered cooling with a dynamic layout utilizing more surface area, improved heat pipe layout, stronger aluminum array, heatsink, fin stack, additional heat dissipation beyond the GPU means less heat and more overall sustained performance. The stronger is a die-cast metal jacket brace with full board coverage enhance the overall structural integrity to be stronger and more rigid than ever. Additionally, it provides heat dissipation for other components together with a metal wraparound backplate. It brings comprehensive support and protection. With the active fan control has two individual fan control allows users to adjust fan rotations independently and apply increased airflow only to where it when it's needed, reducing all overall noise and increasing longevity while still keeping things cool under the hood and performance going strong. It's all done automatically, so there's nothing you need to do. And the freeze is featuring Fun Stop, inspired innovation that enables your power graphics card to become silent while reducing the wear and tear on the fan system. Greater system stability is achieved with precision temperature gauging and wider temperature tolerance. Fan start and stop their predefined threshold automatically, so game on. This graphics card has Power Boost, which is a control chip providing live electrical current regulation and instant electrical deviation responses. Power Boost reduces ripple noise, minimize power fluctuations, and has a high temperature tolerance, resulting a longer lasting AMPo graphics card. And it has also 16 plus 4 power phases, with spreading the load to 16 power phases means that no one power pieces is overworked and building up too much heat. With more distribution of power, experience unparalleled stability operating at peak efficiency. The SPECTRA is to enhance the visual quickly and colorfully by customizing lighting and color. Make the ZOTAC Gaming graphics card yours and personalize it to the theme of your gaming PC with just few clicks. easily change the color, brightness, or lighting mode to just your liking with the Spectra. And this graphics card it has NVLink SLI ready, which is to gain more power and push more performance with two ZOTAC graphics card via NVLink SLI. See super smooth gameplay at maximum resolution with ultimate visual fidelity. The FireStorm is to design with a more intuitive minimal interface, get and out quickly, and for the OC scanner is to get more out of your ZOTAC gaming graphics card with OC scanner with a simple button click. Take the tedious trial and error process out of the equation when extracting more speed. Start the process, take a short break, and come back to a faster graphics card. So that's it for the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 Super AMP Extreme Graphics Card. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.